brand new. I'm surprised the way it was working. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? This was the product I got from TEMU. This is how it is. It's a little bit big. You guys can tell what is inside this packaging. So guys, we'll be doing an unboxing from this product from TEMU, and let's see what it's inside. Let's see if what we ordered was what we got. Okay guys, let's get right into it. So okay, the seal has been removed by me. Okay, wow, brand new. So guys, this is a charge controller. You can see it, solar charge controller. Okay, you can see the back still inside the packaging. Okay, let's keep that one down there. And what might be here? Okay, let's turn it to the other side. You guys can tell what is in there. A solar panel. Wow, they really tried. It really did have it has quality. This is a quality solar panel, though not too heavy the way I expected it to be, but it's okay. Let's see how the back looks like. Okay, you can see some wires. Okay, so guys, these are the two alligator clip. The red one is your positive, the black one is your negative. You can see the wires. This wire is very long, but though the wires are not thick enough. These wires are not thick enough. You can see how tiny they are. But well, it's still manageable. So the aim of using this solar panel is we're going to use it along with this charge controller to be able to use it to charge our battery. And I was expecting to see each solar panel do come with the power rating at the back, the details of the solar panel, but I don't know if you can see it. Let's get the camera to focus. You can see I was expecting them to put the power rating at the back is at 12 volts, the maximum voltage for this solar panel, but as you can tell, it's not written there. They just put solar name, solar panel, and the manufacturer, nothing more. So that's what you get for what you pay. So you can see it. So guys, let's check the charge controller. Let's check the charge controller. Okay, you guys can see the charge controller. Okay, it comes with a small LCD screen with two USB cable ports. Just 3 buttons. You guys can tell from this symbol right here, the one that has the first two, you can see a positive and a negative. That is a solar panel symbol. So these two sides, these are where the solar panel wiring will be connected to. Then the second one, as you can see, the second one is for the battery, and the third ones are for your lightings. It's pretty small, not as big as the main charge controller. So guys, let's check the power rating of this charge controller. The details of this charge controller is written at the side. Let's try to get a camera to focus. You can see it. Solar charge controller, rated volts is 12 volts to 24 volts. So it can take maximum of can take around 24 volts maximum, and rated current, which is the amp, it can take up to 100 amp. You can see the maximum power of this charge controller is around 36 volts. It can take more than 36 volts. Okay, that's nice. So for 12 volts, it's around 1800 watts, and for 24 volts is around 3600 watts. So okay, it's okay. So guys, we're going to test this under the sun and see how it performs. You can see these are where we are going to connect the wires. And before I forgot, these are the wires that came with the charge controller. You can see how tiny they are. You can see the metal parts. These are where the alligator clip will be connected to when we connect it to the charge controller. So that is how we have access to it. This one will be connected to this side, then connected to the solar panel. So guys, there you go. This is the product. So guys, we're going to test it under the sun and see how it performs. That is one thing, to see how it performs. Normally, it is best to have a T-gauge wires for anything 12 volt setup. But I would advise, whenever you have or you get something like this, it's best to upgrade these wires to a thicker wires, so that it will be able to work better. I don't like how cheap they are. Okay guys, let's test it under the sun. You guys have seen the solar panel. Okay, you can see how it is. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. We're going to test it under the sun, but first of all, we're going to be doing our connection right here to show you guys how to connect it to the charge controller. So guys, for you to be able to connect the charge controller to the solar panel, it comes with an owner's manual. And you can see it. This is the owner's manual on how to be able to connect your charge controller. Part of it is not written in English. There's some that are written in English. You can see the symbol of the charge controller. This side is connected. The first left-hand side is connected to the panel. The middle one is connected to your battery, and the last one here is connected to anything light. Remember, the light that will be connected here should not be more than 12 volts. Anything higher than 12 volts would not be able to power it. So that is how to connect it. And it is best to go through the owner's manual. You'll be able to know the functions of each one of these buttons, what they do, and what are the functions of them. You can see. So this will give you an idea of what you are going to do and how it is being connected. So guys, let's connect the charge controller to the let's connect these wires to the charge controller so that we can have access we can connect the solar panel to it. So the top of the charge controller, where we'll be connecting the wires, it have some screws there, which we're going to lose some of them. If you take a look at the holes right here, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. There are some screws right here for these wires to be able to go in. So what we need to do is to unscrew it. Why we're unscrewing it, so that the wires is going to go inside this place, and we're going to screw it back to get it tight. So the first one is this, and we're going to put it right there. Let's keep this screwdriver down. Okay. Okay, we're going to use this one. Good. It's in there. Then we're going to screw it tight. Can see it's very tight, so we're going to do the second one right now. So guys, we're done with the connection of the two wires. So this is for the solar panel, and let's connect the other ones, the ones for the batteries. So guys, right now the solar panel is under the sun, and now we've connected the positive side. Let's connect the negative side. You can see that the charge controller is on, and right now we're pulling about 13.6 volts, 13.7 volts. It's fluctuating from the solar panel. Right now the sun is already going down. So let's connect our batteries.
A few moments later.
So guys, the product worked very well. I was even surprised the way it was working. It was able to charge my 12-volt battery even over a short period of time, and the solar panel worked well. Everything worked very well. And there is one thing I noticed. These symbols right here, these are not physical buttons. These are just for designs, for show. These are where we have the buttons to be able to adjust the settings of the charge controller, and make sure you use a T-gauge wire for it. It will work even better to be able to charge your battery faster. And I noticed it even blew up this my 12-volt bulb. It blew up this bulb. Why? Because I connected the solar panel to it, and I didn't connect the battery first. I went ahead to connect this bulb immediately, and it ended up blowing up this one. So it is always best connect them according to order: the solar panel, the your battery, then you connect your lightings. Then it's going to work perfectly well. So guys, this is a good product. I would also recommend it if you guys want to purchase. This is nice, and it worked really well. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, this unboxing video from TEMU, and I really appreciate you guys. I will see you guys on the next upload. So take care, guys.